Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a stunning circular pendant using sparkling crystals, bicone beads and a teardrop pearl drop. So now you know what all is required. So just grab the material and let's get started. I will start with 4 crystals. Go through them once again. And now I am going to tie a couple of knots. Now once we have tied the knots, trim the tail. Now go through the next crystal. Pick 3 crystals and go through this one crystal. I am doing right angle weave. Go through the next 2 crystals. Like this. And now add 3 more crystals. Go up through 2 crystals. In this way, I am going to continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have made 13 units. And now while doing the 14th unit, I am going to connect both ends. So pick one crystal and go through this first crystal. Pick one more crystal and go through the other side. So here we have connected both ends and formed a ring. I am going to go through this last unit once again. This is important so that the entire work is secure. And now go through one crystal on this side. Pick a 2 mm crystal and go through the next crystal. I am going to fill the space in between these 2 crystals. Another 2 mm and go through the next. In this way, fill all the gaps. 14 crystals on one side. This is the last crystal. Go through 2-3 beads. Go through the center crystal. And exit from the other side. Go through one crystal. In the same way, I am going to fill this side also, all the gaps, 14 small crystals, 2 mm crystals. Once we are done adding the 2 mm crystals, go through a couple of beads. All the gaps are filled. Now again go through the center crystal and go through the 2 mm crystal on this side, like this. Now pick 5 seed bead and go through the next 2 mm crystal. You may find it difficult because the 4 mm crystals are big and the 2 mm crystal is in between them. So just pick the 5 seed beads and fold it a little bit, and you can easily go through the small crystal like this. So I'm going to add 5 crystals. Going through the 2 mm crystals. 14 sets of 5 seed bead. And in the same way we will make on the other side also. So now I have completed the 5 seed bead thing on both sides. Now again go to through the center crystal. Go through one 2 mm crystal and through 3 seed bead. So this way we are at the center of the 5 seed bead set. Pick one 6 mm bicone and go through the center seed bead of the next unit. Again pick one 6 mm, go through the next center seed bead. In this way add 14 bicone crystals. Go around with 14 bicone crystals. And now this is the last bicone. Go through one seed bead, one crystal and a few more. So once when it is done, it looks like this. Go through the next 6 mm bicone. And now it is time to connect it to the front side. Go through this center seed bead. Now again go through the bicone crystal. So we are going to connect it in a zigzag pattern. One seed bead, one bicone, Here we have completed both sides. And now it is time to add one 2 mm crystal in between the two bicone. Fill the gap with a 2 mm crystal. Add 14 crystals all around. Now I am going to exit from the 2 mm crystal. And here I am going to add the teardrop. I have taken 2 seed bead, 1 teardrop and 2 seed bead and going through the 2 mm crystal. Go around once again. Once we have added the teardrop, now go to the opposite side. Exit from this crystal. Here I am going to add the pinch bail to hang the pendant. Pick 7 or 8 crystals and go through this 2 mm crystal. Go through all the seed bead once again. This portion needs to be secured because it is going to hang. If it is not strong, then it might break. Now go through the 2 mm crystal and the next bicone. And now our pendant is complete. We just need to make a couple of knots. And now you can go through some more beads. Always go through some beads before cutting the thread. You should never cut the thread near the knot. Now trim the extra thread. And that's it. Our beautiful pendant is ready. I hope you had fun making it with me. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more beading projects. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye bye and take care.